Hey class, this is Dr. James. I wanted to touch base with y'all about a couple of different things. So this week is your first exam, and I haven't responded to the questions that were posted in the test review yet, but I wanted to do that through a video and let so everybody can see all the types of things that were being asked. I should have done this a couple of days ago, and I apologize for being tardy on this. But one important point to make, though, with that is that you guys have all week to take the exam. You don't have to take it today. You can listen to my comments. You can study all week long, take the exam in a few days, and adequately prepare. However, for the next exam, I will do this earlier, so I apologize for that. Okay, so let me go through some of the emails. One of the questions that I've had several times is how should we prepare for the exam? Another one is how many questions will there be? How long will the exam be timed? Should I study the chapters? Should I study the PowerPoints? Let's see. Will there be a lot of questions? Let's see. So that pretty much summarizes what most people are asking. So here's the information that you're going to want. Okay, the exam will be multiple choice, entirely multiple choice. There's going to be 34 questions. The first 33 are worth 3 points apiece, so that's 99 points. The 34th question is just a gimme, and it's worth 1 point, so you basically get one free point there. It is timed for 90 minutes. You can only take it once. You can use your materials, obviously. I think that's probably standard for most online courses. Let's see. In terms of how to prepare, the PowerPoints are really important, and that's probably the number one thing where I get most of the questions from. But the PowerPoints also closely resemble the chapters, and I always encourage my students to read the chapters as well. That really helps to reinforce the material and to give it more context than what you can see in PowerPoint slides, particularly in an online class where you don't really hear me talk, except when I post videos like this, so I can't really explain the context of some of the material. So I certainly do request reading the chapters as well. Let's see what else. Will there be any short answers? No, everything's multiple choice. In terms of the material, like everything that we've covered so far is fair game to be on the exam. A couple people also asked about definitions. I don't typically ask my students to memorize things. I just really want you guys to understand concepts better, more so than definitions. However, there are people that I want you to kind of know what their contribution was. If they were a theorist, for instance, what theory are they associated with? I think that'll really help you. Okay, so I've scrolled through all the questions, and I think that covers pretty much everything. So best of luck to you all. Consider this my response rather than me emailing or responding to every comment in eCourseware. Again, I apologize for this being later than it should have been, but you do have like 6 more days before you have to take the exam. So you should have adequate time to prepare. And also, I've graded some assignments, but I haven't put some of the grades in yet. So that's coming soon as well. So here in the next week or so, you're going to know a lot better and a lot more about how you're doing in the class up to this point. Certainly, I hope everyone's doing well. Okay, I hope you've all had a great weekend. I hope you all have a great week this week, and I hope you all do well on the exam. If you don't do as well as you are hoping for, that's okay. That's totally normal. Typically, the scores on the first exam is a little bit lower than what you find on the second exam and the third exam, just because it's the first go-round. So I just want to provide encouragement to everyone, to wish you all luck, and be in touch with me if you have any questions, and I'll be a whole lot better about responding much more quickly. Okay, thanks. Have a great week, guys. Bye-bye.